Hello, my name is Marco Rodriguez, and this video serves as a critical introduction for my English 1302 Core Learning Objectives portfolio. The artifacts in this portfolio all focus on a sustained research topic, which is the nursing shortage in the Rio Grande Valley. I chose this topic because it directly affects my community and highlights how communication and research can be used to address real-world problems. Together, these artifacts demonstrate how I have met the 6 core learning objectives, which are critical thinking, communication skills, teamwork, and personal responsibility. First, critical thinking is demonstrated most clearly in my Project 3 research argument and my Project 2 primary research report. In these projects, I analyzed and evaluated multiple types of sources, including academic articles, government workforce data, news reports, and survey responses. I didn't just summarize the information. I compared evidence, identified patterns, and used that analysis to draw conclusions about how the nursing shortage impacts patient safety, nurse burnout, and healthcare access in the Rio Grande Valley. For written communication, all 3 artifacts show my ability to adapt my writing to a purpose and audience. In Project 3, I used a formal academic tone, clear organization, and an MLA citation to present an evidence-based argument for which the nursing shortage is an urgent regional crisis. Project 1, my research, shows an earlier stage of my writing process and explains my research goals, methods, and the significance of the issue. Together, these pieces demonstrate growth in clarity, structure, and rhetorical awareness. Oral communication is represented through this recorded introduction. In this video, I explain the context of my work and how each artifact connects to the learning objectives, showing my ability to organize ideas and communicate effectively to an audience unfamiliar with my class. Visual communication is demonstrated in my projects through my use and interpretation of visual data such as the workforce projections and statistical charts related to nurse shortages. I use these visuals to support my written analysis and strengthen my arguments, rather than just relying on text alone. Teamwork is reflected primarily in Project 2, where I collected primary data through a survey. This project required collaboration with nurses, nursing students, and community members. I respected diverse perspectives and ethically incorporated participant responses into my analysis to better understand the human impact of the nursing shortage. Finally, personal responsibility is demonstrated across all artifacts. My research addresses ethical concerns related to healthcare access, patient safety, and community well-being. I also practice academic integrity by responsibly collecting data, citing all sources, and accurately representing participant perspectives. Overall, this portfolio reflects my development as a critical thinker and communicator in English 1302, and it shows how academic research and communication can be used to engage with important issues